We are well versed in personal injury and complex litigation, and our firm's ethos is your voice, our mission. And I think this case really encapsulates that. Many of the victims were left unheard and unaccounted for, notwithstanding the fact that this was broadcasted widely across the country, and every anniversary it keeps coming back up. Our victims still haven't been compensated the way that they deserve to be.
You've also described the explosion as preventable. Just detail for us, one of the two critical factors or failures that perhaps you're seeing from your side here.
Yeah, so I think it was preventable on multiple fronts, and that's the way that our particulars are reading. So as you mentioned, we are citing three different parties.
Yeah.
The first is the Infinite Fleet Transport, who owned the tanker vehicle that exploded. The second is Innovative Staffing Solutions, who provided the services of the driver. And the third is the city of Ekurhuleni. So I think primarily the problem was that, of course, the driver went off route.
Yeah.
And he wasn't redirected onto a route, whether that's because there was no protocol in place to implement a redirection of the route, or they failed to acknowledge that he had gone off route. That was the one big failure. And the other one is attributable to the municipality, which is unfortunately an age-old story, that many of the South African community face, is that the service delivery was poor. There was poor service delivery on the front of road signage. Yeah. We've consulted with road signage experts who have advised us that the road signage was not only non-compliant, but it was also outdated. This isn't the type of case that we want to run to set precedent, to make a big statement. Yeah. That is, our firm does deal in that in other capacities, but this is really the core of this claim, is just to hold people to account, and that's something that is important for all South Africans, especially on the municipal level.
Are you able to share what is being asked for when it comes to this claim?
So we're looking at about 65 million. The quantification process is quite complicated because we've got quite a broad range of clients who are claiming different things. Yeah. But at the moment, we're looking at about 65 million rand.
All right.